Please welcome FotoKite.
Oh, no, I don't deserve that yet.
At the end, give him double.
That's right. Hi, I'm Chris from FotoKite. We're a B2B facing robotics company, and what we've developed is a brand new way for robotic systems to navigate themselves in the real world. Let me show you how it works. In here, I've got a FotoKite. What that means is it's a tethered drone. It folds out just like this. You unclip the arms and turn it on, and now it's ready to go. No calibration, no setup time. You simply point it in the direction that you want it to fly. You give it a twist, and that tells the motors to start ramping up. And then off it goes. At this point, it's going to fly in this angle relative to me 100% autonomously, whether it's a couple feet away or 100 feet away. I can control it with very, very simple gestures, like pushing one of these two buttons and twisting my hand, and the vehicle will twist in the same direction, there or back. Front row, you guys are totally safe because it's tethered. It's always pulling on this and always autonomously flying in that angle relative to me, even if I choose to change that angle. With this tethered approach, we're solving three fundamental problems with traditional drones. One is safety. Because this doesn't have GPS on board, there's no risk of GPS dropouts, and there's certainly no risk of flyaways. Two, accountability. You're never going to worry about this thing flying by you in the middle of a park with an anonymous user. You always see who it's connected to. And three, flight time. We use a tethered approach, and for our B2B solutions, we actually send power up that line to convert traditional drones that fly for 20, 25 minutes to professional systems that can fly for 24/7. We've even flown one of these systems for 52 days straight. Can you guys hear me? Okay. The B2B verticals that we've addressed that need hours of flight time, safety around crowds of people, and accountability so everyone knows they're using it are broadcast news, industrial inspection, and sports live streaming. These are use cases that all need to take advantage of the unique capabilities of a FotoKite system. In terms of our traction so far, we've become the first and only drone system ever approved by the FAA for commercial use above crowds of people. It's a huge milestone for us, especially for a 9-person company based in Zurich, Switzerland. Our customers are incredible. We've got CNN, Tribune Media, BBC, all using our first generation products to live broadcast a video feed from out in the field for uncovering news stories. We have professional sports teams that are setting these up on the side of their pitch, flying it for 4 or 6 hours long during their training sessions and using all of that video for analytics. In terms of industrial inspection, that's also a huge market that's come to us. These are customers who don't want to put $20,000 or $30,000 kits up on systems that have the possibility of flying away. Last year, we did over $1 million in revenue, and this year we're looking to triple that, but based off of booked revenues alone. We're raising our Series A of $2 to $3 million right now, and that's it. Thanks.
Fantastic. That is so cool. So if you are with Astral or Nightingale, Astral and Nightingale, please go over there, find Bryce, and see Bryce.
Testing. What's your pricing or business model?
So in terms of our B2B products, about half of the revenue is from hardware sales, and the other half is from recurring software-specific packages that we deliver to each vertical. So like sports analytics. Those people right now, what they do is they fly a system, they collect all the footage, and then later they put it onto a PC and they use something like Huddle or Second Spectrum to break down the video. Instead, with our second generation products, we're integrating intelligence and connectivity to be able to run those analytics live on board and stream that right to the coach's tablet on the sideline. It's really exciting.
What is the pricing model? How much do you make per drone, and how do you think about the different software packages?
Sure. Our first generation products that people like CNN and BBC are buying those for around $8K. Our second generation products, those are going to be approximately the same with application-specific software packages.
Which of the markets are you going to focus on first primarily? Sporting events, news and reporting, and why?
So far, the focus has primarily been on broadcast news. But what's great about our flying platform is it's very payload agnostic. It basically becomes a system that's very easy to implement over many verticals.
All right, let's give it up for FotoKite.